Okay, this tutorial is to show you how to put the pictures back into a full new picture frame of all the guillotine pictures. Okay, first of all, let's create the new image. This is the original one there, and all the pieces here I wish to use to make the new one. There's a new one. I will use the same size. I'll click New, and it gives me a default of what the current picture is. Just click OK. I have a blank canvas. Let's go to the first one. You copy it, edit, and copy. Then go back to your blank part. Now we need a new layer for each one of these. We need a new layer so it can be treated independently and moved around. Paste as new layer. There we are. We've got two layers now. Let's go back and get another one. Edit, copy, and go back to the new picture, which you can see it's got the white background, but we need to edit, paste as new layer. So it's covered the previous one. Use the move tool to move it away. As you can see now, we've got two layers. We can move them independently, rotate them independently, change the size before we make the final picture. You'll do this for all your different parts, put them all back in. As each time you put one in, you can change it, you can move it around. Click on the layer you want to work on. Click on the layer and move it around. What I would like to do with this one is not image now, but layer, and let's transform it clockwise. Let's click on that layer there and do the same. Layer, and you can move it around or transform it any way you wish. Let's take that vertically. So now making a new picture from the original layers, but a little bit mixed up. Could change the size of these. Right and click up for it, go back to layer at the top, layer, and we have transform. We can scale it, flip it vertically, transform it. Let's try changing the size. Last one, scale layer. That's a bit too big. I'll reduce it down there by just clicking down. Scale. So that one's got a bit smaller. Click on the different layer there. The dots around show you which layer you're currently working on. Let's go to that one. Select it. Select it. I think that's just because that's. And let's go for image, layer, scale. Let's make that 200. Scale. See? Do what you like, move it around. So you get all your individual ones off here, edit, copy it, paste it in as a new layer in there, and you'll have all the layers building up here, and at the end we can save it as one image. That's all for now.